Okay, guys. Waiting outside of the Tractor Supply because my grandpa had to go and to his business in the laboratory or something, or whatever you want to call it. We already took my cat to the vet, and I'll probably see you guys when we get back to the vet. And when she comes out, then I'll start filming on the way home.
Water. Pumping gas, you get the germs off of them.
My kitty is back there, and we are on our way home. My grandpa has just stopped to pick up some gas, and I'll probably get back on when we get home. Yeah, you can go ahead and drink, kitty. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got my animals fed, made sure my cat ate, and I ate a couple sandwiches, and my cat's gonna be okay. She just has a cold, and I'm gonna put these clips together and I'll post it to YouTube. So I'll see you guys in the next video.